NFL Sunday ticket for veterans. In today's video, we are going to learn how to get NFL Sunday ticket veteran discount. For this, first you have to sign in to the Google account you will use for Sunday ticket. Then open the id.me offer page for NFL Sunday ticket on YouTube and select military or veteran as your eligibility criteria. So what you have to do after that, you have to click the button to verify with id.me, finish the verification flow. After finishing the verification flow, you will see all of these options right here. And after that, what you have to do is, you have to check out the page that appears for Prime Time channels, not the YouTube television add-on, and make sure you are still on the correct Google account. Choose the military price season pass shown. If you want NFL Red Zone, add it before paying. For 2025-26, the veteran price is $198. As you can see right here, the pricing details. Now, the season with Red Zone available for about $42 more, and the offer is available through the 31st of December. Review the term. Purchases are non-refundable and will auto-renew each season. Complete payment. You can watch on YouTube or inside the YouTube television app after purchase, and you do not need a YouTube television base plan to use the discounted primetime channel subscription. So that's all. That's how you will be able to get this done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.